One of the lessons of the 2008 and 9 experience, well, really the 2008 experience, was the fact that every company in the United States was a domino, and those dominoes were placed right next to each other. So when they started toppling, everything was in line, and they were very, very close to it. And it's really like the old movies, you know, where there's a run on the bank.
It's getting so a guy's money ain't safe unless it's in his sock.
If you have a run on a bank and there's a big line in front of the bank and you've got your money in that bank, you're going to get in line. And if the president of the bank comes out and says, our capital ratio is 13%, you don't care, because you don't know what a capital ratio is, and you don't know whether he knows what one is, and you know he's probably lying to you. A company like Lehman or any major financial institution depends on people being willing to do business with them tomorrow and lend them money tomorrow and take their word the next day. And nobody has to do business with Lehman or any other institution. Once they lose confidence, it's all over.